Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the kitchen making some egg salad. Continuing this simple and easy breakfast series, let's get straight into it. For this recipe, I'm using 2 eggs, cayenne pepper, everything bagel seasoning, mayo, and black pepper. I prefer a classic hard-boiled egg, so I usually boil my eggs for 10 minutes, put them in cold water for a few minutes, then I peel them. I usually remove the yolk of the eggs and just mince them a little bit separately, and then I just go ahead and dice the whites. Add in some mayo and then just stir to combine. Add in some paprika and black pepper and then stir again to combine it. Layer the egg salad onto toasted bread of your choice. Today I'm using whole wheat toast because this is what I like. You can use sourdough, you could use butter bread, whatever you desire. I'm using everything bagel seasoning for my garnish to top it off. You can use chives, parsley, whatever you like, but everything bagel seasoning just does it for me because it tastes so delicious. And here we have the final egg salad served on toast. If you made it to the end of this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.